guys, today I am going to show you how to create this Jackson Pollock splatter nails. It's a very fun abstract design, but of course very messy. Keep on watching to see how you can easily take off the splatter polishes around your cuticles without using acetone or having to take your fingers. So these are the colors that I will be using. You can use any colors of your choice. Okay, first off, let's paint our base color. Here I am using white. Alright guys, so this is the most important part. What you need to do is use a Q-tip, pick up some petroleum jelly, rub it around your cuticles, underneath your fingernails, and also on the upper part of your finger. Alright, so the next step is to dab a little bit of nail polish onto a disc, and then take a straw and dab it to pick up the polish. Make sure it's not too long, otherwise you would have a hard time getting the polish to splatter onto your nails. So to get the splatter effect, make sure to blow it hard into the straw so that way the polish will come off. So just keep on repeating the step until you get the desired effect. When you get a lot of nail polish stick onto the straw, just use a piece of napkin and wipe it off. This way it will give you a more clean look when you try to blow into the straw and have that splatter effect. The same step over with the remaining colors that you have until you get the desired look that you So the last step is to use a paper towel and gently rub off the paint that got splattered onto your skin. You see how easily it comes off? It's like magic. You can also use this tip when you're dyeing your hair. Just dab either petroleum jelly or lotion around your hairline, so that way the hair color doesn't stick on your skin. Step is of course to finish it off with the top coat. And there you have it, splatter nails without using acetone or checking your fingers. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and until then, see you next time. Bye!